Hi Abby, Dipendra. I just wanted to show you where I was at with the Weka stuff. So I've got Weka up here on the screen. Let me pull it up and open the file and kind of show you the steps that I went through. So I've created a few files specifically for Weka Explorer and they're in R format, which is what you really want to use. So I've got an overall cause 2, which is fairly similar to the CSV that I have out in the zip directory. So I can open that up, and this has all the fields in it. Now what I found out, or what I think I found out, was you really don't need all of them. He wants you to do injury level and accident cause, because you're supposed to find the accidents that were fatal. So I went ahead and removed those. So you can hit those two. Accident cause, you can do invert, and then you can hit remove. And if you do that, you have those two fields, and then you go ahead up here and save it. Now I've already saved it, so I'm not going to do that here, but I just wanted to show you. So that's what I did first, and you can save that as another data set. So let me open that one. So this is the cause removed. Alright, so after I got that far, now I have these two fields that I can do something with. The accident cause has all the string values, the injury level has that none, fatal, or minor. And so what we need to do though is we need to make these so we can work with them. So accident cause was the first one. I'll show you what I did with it. Again, I've already saved the file, but so you go into the filters, and in unsupervised attribute filter, the one that you should use is this oh gosh, where is it here? String to word vector for a string. So so that's for this accident cause because it's a string. Then you can click on this and you can set things. So I wanted IDF transform on. I wanted the turn frequency transform on. I want everything converted to lowercase. I don't know, I just left that min term frequency. We could change that. The stemmer, the null stemmer doesn't do anything, so I chose this Lovin stemmer. The stop words, you can use the stop words he set, but I don't think that's very good. So I still need to learn how to add that to this Weka 3.6 because I think it actually has better stop words. I'm going to leave the tokenizer, this word tokenizer. May want to try that alphabetic tokenizer where it only grabs words that are in the alphabet. Use the stop list. Yes, I want to use the stop list. And stop words. Yeah, I'm going to leave that one, although we could go select the one out of our file. Okay, so that's what I want to do. You can save that under a name, but I'm just going to hit OK. And then what you do is you do that on the accident cause, and then you hit apply. So you'll see that accident cause split out to all the words that are available in those documents now based on what we put on the filter there. Okay, so you'll see all of these other fields now, right? Stuff that took us forever in SAS to do. Anyway, we didn't do that, but you know what I'm talking about. Alright, and next we have this injury level, which we probably want to do some kind of transformation on. So, oops, let's get where I can check that off. And we choose, we want to do something with that too. And the discretize, which is what I tried first, doesn't work. You can do nominal to binary. So I picked that one. So you hit apply again here, and it will go ahead and split that field out. And you'll see none, fatal, and minor. Wow, that's actually different than I got the last time. Wow, I like that. Okay, so now we have this. So I'm going to hit save because this is a different one. So I'm going to call it overall cost, and this will be like dummies 2 or something, because this did a better job than I did last time. Dummies 2. Okay, so I'll save this. Okay, so we want to operate on this. We can go over here now to cluster, and we can tell it we want to do a simple k-means cluster. We use the training set. We store clusters for visualization, and it's going to be this data set here. The reason I have this injury in here is we're supposed to tell the one that has the most fatal accidents. And so then you go in and you run your clustering here. And this right now is set to 2 clusters. I actually thought, oh, we'll run it with 2. You can run it with different clusters again. So we'll do a start here. And it's going to build a model and do some clustering. And I don't know what it all means, of course, but I want to show you guys what I've found so far. So let's let this finish. Hopefully it won't take too long here. If it doesn't come back pretty quick, I'll pause it and then I'll restart. Let me go down and do that. I'll pause it, and then when it's finished, I'll play it again, so you guys will have it. Okay, so it looks like it's made 2 instances. It tells you the number it put in each instance, and then you scroll up here, you can see what's at the top. You know, it's got cluster 0 here, cluster 1 here, and it tells you the level of each injury level plus all of the other strings that it found. We can run it again, but we can go up here and we can say, alright, well, let's run 3 cluster. No, let's run 4 clusters this time, and let's see how that works. So we'll start it again, and I'm going to pause it while we wait for it to finish. Okay, it looks like it's finished. Here we have 4 clusters. Tells you how many records went into each one, and then you can see the words that are in the different clusters. I'm not sure what these numbers mean. I wish I knew, especially when it comes to the injury, because we're trying to determine where most of the fatal accidents are. Looks to me like if this is a percentage, which it may not be, that 79% are in cluster 1 for the injuries, but hey, I'm just trying to learn this stuff. So that's all I've got for you guys. That's my research. I don't know that I'll have time to do much more before Sunday, but if you have any questions, let me know on the data that I put out there. And thank you. Bye.